My name is Benjamin Torali. I bought a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 AMG. I worked with Jack. He's understanding, he's not pushy. He understands what I wanted, was able to get me what I wanted and in a timely manner, and pretty much every step of the way it was effortless. So I mean, what more could you ask for in a car salesman? Honestly, fantastic. 10 out of 10. Great job. I've actually wanted this car for like 5 years. So it's, I've seen it driving around a lot, and it finally came down to get it. I mean, I love that it's like a sedan, but they just blew it up. Like it's like double the size of a sedan. So it's kind of the size of an SUV sort of, but it looks like a sedan. I just thought that was so cool. It's got such an awesome look. I had gone to a couple other dealerships. I used to be in customer service, so when I walk in the door, I'm automatically expecting customer service, and the other places I went just fell short. The second I walked in here, Jack walked up, met me, treated me respectfully, and just right out of the gate was just very professional and exactly how I think people should be treated when they go to purchase a vehicle. I mean, the whole team has been fantastic. John in finance, Jack, I mean, they made it easy. Again, they weren't pushy. They told me what they recommend, what I don't really need. They kind of just walked me through the process in a way that was easy for me, but also let me know whether I would actually need something or not need something. I usually don't get that. Usually people think a car salesman is someone who's like pushy, but everyone that I've worked with here, down to just the front desk people, they're cordial, they're polite, they're nice, they're top-notch customer service representatives in every way. My name is Benjamin Torali. I purchased a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53 AMG.